how to change the LED 4000026. With this code you receive two LED like this. It's the same, change only the color of the brown wire and the white, but the LED is the same. And you receive with the code two pieces of this, then one like this and one like this. As we can see here, we have the low tension of the wire, and here we have the connector, this connector. Basically we have to remove the connector, the female connector to the wire. We have to remove these two LED, and we have to change it with the two new. As we can see, the color of the wire is different because this help people in production line, because we have the brown on the right and we have the white on the left. Be careful, because if the machine is I turn the machine in the opposite way, I have the left and the right in the opposite sense. But be careful, because as we can see, the brown here continue also in the lower part of the wire, not connect the brown with the white, because we can do mistake. Okay, we are back with the test machine. First of all, we have to remove the top cover and the body of the machine. In the back of the chassis we have an hexagonal key tool, 2mm, 2.5mm hexagonal key. We have to remove this screw, and last we have to remove this and this. Now the last screw. Now we have to be careful, because we have to follow the wire from the LED, and as we can see, we can first of all remove the connector. The brown we can also do one for a time, because if we remove both, we can install the machine with the LED in the opposite sense. But if we do the work one LED for time, we can be sure to avoid this mistake. To do the work faster, it's better unscrew a little bit the two nuts of the support of the LED, one on the left and one on the right. Because we can also remove the plate in this way if we want to work better and faster. Now, as you can see, I can push down the LED, the broken LED, and I can remove it. Now I have to connect the new one. This is the brown, yes, the new one, and I can push it. Okay, now I have to connect, to push this, and I have to connect this with the male with the female. Okay, and now I have to push down the second if I have to change both, and I can remove the second, the last. I have to connect this, push down, and connect with the second. Now I have only to unscrew a little bit more the nut, because it's easy later when we connect, and I have to okay, now it's in position. Be careful and check the front of the machine if you can see the LED. And now we have to screw the nut, the first and the second. Before to finish, it's better check the machine. Be careful because the machine is on, but if you can turn on the machine for 1 minute or two to see if the two LED works properly, and after that we have finished. We can close the machine. Okay, now be careful because the machine is on. As we can see, the low water signal works. Now we have to wait because the pump is working, is refilling the steam boiler, and now the boiler is full, and as we can see the LED works. Now we have to turn off the machine, remove the power cord, and we have to close the machine. That's it.